Hello and welcome to this new video on how to pin location in Google Map. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Google Maps. So there are two different options for you that you can use to pin the location in Google Map. So first is you just have to access the Google Map interface, and when you're inside this interface, you just have to choose the location that you want to pin. You can just zoom in or zoom out and just long press on the location that you want to pin. And when you long press on that location, a red pin will appear right in front of your screen. And when the red pin has appeared, then that means that you have pinned that particular location. So next way is you can just go to the search bar and search for a particular location. And when you search for that particular location, then the red pin will appear once more. And when the red pin appears, it basically means that you have pinned that location in Google Map. So this is how you can easily pin location in Google Maps. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.